Okay, so this is now part 2 of the assembly of the swivel chair from Crosley. Swivel counter stool, black with black cushion. Okay, so what you're going to do first, the first step when you assemble it, is you're going to flip the stool upside down. Make sure it's on a carpet there, so you don't want to scratch it or damage it. And so what you want to do is you put the screws in. You do the long washer, and then the short, then the flat washer, the spring washer, and with the short bolt. Then you assemble it into the holes here. Now you want to do only 3 legs at a time. You do the first 3 legs. You don't do the 4th leg yet until after you do the round part there, round footrest. So make sure you only do the 3 legs at first. You don't do the 4th leg yet. So then you hand tighten it this. You don't fully assemble it, put it together as of yet. Okay, you just hand tighten it, and then you get the footrest, and you'll assemble it onto that, which will be on here. Then you use the long bolts to assemble that. So use the long bolts next to assemble this. And remember, do not fully tighten it. Do not fully tighten everything until you have it fully assembled. So this is part 2 of the assembly.